After we have trained with Magnify learning, what should I expect to see, hear, and feel in an authentic PBL classroom? Imagine walking into a middle school classroom. At first glance, it looks familiar. Desks, backpacks, the usual hum of chatter. But today is different. It's entry event day, and curiosity is about to take center stage. In walks a guest speaker from the Department of Natural Resources. Her presence alone shifts the energy. Learners, who were moments ago discussing social media and weekend plans, suddenly quiet down. Not because they were told to, but because they are intrigued. She introduces a very real problem. Invasive species are threatening a nearby park's ecosystem. The driving question: how can we as 8th grade ecologists research, collaborate, and design solutions to help restore this local ecosystem? The stakes are real. In 4 weeks, they will present their solutions not just to their peers, but to Dr. Serna and her team of experts. This is not a test or a hypothetical. Their ideas will be implemented in the field. Over those weeks, the classroom transforms. Gone are the rote worksheets and passive lectures. Instead, learners ask big, meaningful questions. What species are the biggest threat? How can we safely remove them? They form teams, divvying up tasks based on roles, interests, and strengths. They engage in research, conduct experiments, and even interview experts. Teachers shift from lecturers to facilitators, guiding and challenging when needed. Fast forward to presentation day. The room buzzes with excitement and a little nervous energy. Learners proudly share their findings, answer tough questions from professionals, and propose actionable solutions. Dr. Serna nods along, clearly impressed. The best part? These young minds are not just learning, they are contributing. This is project-based learning. PBL creates a space where learning is meaningful, standards are embedded in real-world work, and every learner is empowered to make a difference. The real world doesn't give us worksheets. It gives us problems to solve. In a PBL classroom, learners don't just absorb information, they apply it to change the world.